Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 30, want to present about our project high pressure aqueous extraction method of Curcuma Caesia for anti-hyperglycemic activity. Let me introduce our supervisor, Professional Technologist Nurul Izzati binti Muhammad Ismail, my group member Muhammad Damian Hasmi bin Hasmirul, Nulaila Shafia binti Azhan, and me Wan Nur Isli Alia binti Wan Muhammad Kahab. As we know that Curcuma Caesia, commonly known as Kali Haldi in Hindi or black turmeric in English, is a perennial herb with large black rhizome prevalent in Northeast India. This project is to show the potential of Curcuma Caesia as a viable means to manage diabetes and serve as an alternative medicine option compared to costly modern treatments. This project research background are about the health benefit of Curcuma Caesia, extraction method of Curcuma Caesia, and best extraction method. Curcuma Caesia has several health benefits such as for traditional users, pharmacological properties, and biocompound of level none. For the best method of extraction for Curcuma Caesia is the high pressure aqueous extraction. This is because it has several benefits such as give a high yield percentage, create a readable and secure product, enhance the breakdown of plant cell which is help in the plant material biocompound release, and ecologically beneficial because this method use water as a main solvent for extraction. Our project objective are to extract the active compound of Curcuma Caesia using high pressure aqueous extraction method by varying the extraction parameters such as pH, sample size, and solvent to solid ratio. Also to evaluate the chemical and biological properties of the Curcuma Caesia extract obtained through high pressure aqueous extraction method.
So the methodology for our project is we will start with prepare the Curcuma Caesia. So the Curcuma Caesia will be prepared by cleaning it with the distilled water firstly, and after that it will be sliced into small pieces, and after that it will be dried inside of the oven with a 60 degrees Celsius of temperature. And after it being prepared, we will take the prepared Curcuma Caesia to do the extraction of Curcuma Caesia. So the extraction of Curcuma Caesia will be done in 3 parameters, which is for particle size determination, pH test, and also solvent ratio. So in these 3 parameters, we will find the optimum extraction parameter inside of these 3 parameters. So after we obtain it with doing the TPC and also TFC, we will do the last step, which is for the amylase hyperglycemic.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nulaila Shafia binti Azhan, and my matrix number is AA221835. So, I would like to explain about our result discussion of our experiments. So, first of all, as you can see here, there's 3 parameters for our sample that we will be run. First of all, parameters for solvent to solid ratio. As you can see here, we have condition 1 to 10, 1 to 20, and 1 to 50. And for the highest yield of the sample, we have this for condition 1 to 50, which is for yield 80%. And then we have parameters for particle size. For condition 10 microliter, 25 microliter, and lastly for 50 microliter. And the highest yield of the condition is for 83.2% for condition 25 microliter. And lastly, for parameters pH, for condition 12.15, we have the highest yield. Okay, so for our experiment, there will be 3 tests, which is first of all, total flavonoid content, TFC of Curcuma Caesia. As you can see here, the highest concentration for parameter solvent to solid ratio, it's a condition 1 to 50. Then for particle size, for the highest concentration of TFC, we have for condition 50 microliter. And lastly, for parameter pH, the highest concentration of total flavonoid content is for condition 12.15. Okay, so this is the result of total phenolic content, TPC of Curcuma Caesia. As you can see here, the highest concentration for parameter solvent to solid ratio is for condition 1 to 20. And next, for the parameter particle size, the highest concentration for TPC is condition 50 microliter. And lastly, for parameter pH, the highest concentration of total phenolic content of Curcuma Caesia, it's for condition 12.15. Okay, so this is the result of total phenolic content TPC of Curcuma caesia. As you can see here, the highest concentration for parameter solvent to solid ratio is for condition 1 to 20. And next, for the parameter particle size, the highest concentration for TPC is of condition 50 microliter. And lastly, for parameter pH, the highest concentration of total phenolic content of Curcuma caesia it's for condition 12.15. Okay, so next, this is our FTR analysis of Curcuma caesia. As you can see here, this is our spectrum. Okay, so FTR identifies chemical bonds in a molecule by producing an infrared absorption spectrum.
Urbanization has shifted our lifestyle, so this also increased the diseases risk from unhealthy habits. So this study explore about Curcuma caesia benefits, promoting natural, healthier food choices for better health awareness. So the Curcuma caesia has its own potential. So Curcuma caesia itself, or called as the black turmeric, is a viable means to manage diabetes and also serve as an alternative medicine option compared to costly modern treatments that we usually get or have in hospital or clinics. It also serves as an alternative to a costly modern medication for physical and mental illnesses. So, this study emphasized the benefit of high-pressure aqueous extraction that we use to extract the bioactive compound inside of this Curcuma caesia. So, these methods are using mainly on water as a solvent that can minimize the environmental impact compared to the other solvents such as organic solvent that can bring a lot of disadvantages to the users and also the environment. Lastly, it also eliminates the need for potentially harmful chemicals, as I said, the organic solvent, so it will help reducing the overall environmental footprint in the extraction.
Okay, so to conclude, this aim of this experiment was achieved where high pressure aqueous extraction method can also be used to producing anti-hypoglycemic. This is proven by all the obtained data and plotted graph. Other than that, this method also considered as a safe method compared to other methods of extraction because the solvent used is water instead of ethanol. However, the usage of water in this method can bring a lot of advantages as mentioned above, especially towards the living organisms. So thank you.